spacious lake home in April Cove with views of open lake from every room, located next to a private boat ramp. This fully furnished home has a granite kitchen with stainless steel appliances, fully equipped down to the can opener. The dining area is adjacent to an open entertainment area and the second den with lake views. This 3-bedroom, plus bunk room home, sleeps up to 14 people with room to spare. The newly painted boat dock has electric boat and jet ski lifts, pontoon-negotiable. For children and animals' safety, the wrought-iron fence also provides appeal to the fully landscaped yard and 2 exit driveways for 8 cars. Gated April Cove offers peace, relaxation. No showings until 7 to 22. Families saying goodbye.